Hey guys, welcome to Sack Zone. In this video, I will talk about GoPro Hero 9. I'll describe saturation, expose, contrast, and stability. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Let's start and run it. I am showing you different colors, zooming it, vibrant. Let's wait some time. I will inform you. Is it heating issue has? Is it heating or stable? I am handing it on my hand. That's why it's shaking. If you guys enjoy it, please like the video. The expose is enough good. In high light it's sun, you can see sun. It is about 1 o'clock. I am in Bangladesh. I'm shooting this video in Bangladesh. You can see the sky, you can see some colorful buildings, some depth. I'm focusing. Many people will tell it's GoPro 8 video, but no, it's GoPro 9. It's around same, but still have some difference. This is Kauran Bazar area in Farmgate. There are some people on the rooftop. It is zooming 5.8. There is a person cleaning the rooftop. The saturation is few low, contrast not so good, but okay. I expect some more. But it's good, not so bad. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you enjoy the video, please like this video and comment below. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. There are some green trees. Let's zoom there and see the color contrast, color saturation. Who are interested in camera, they will understand what's the matter. I am around 120 feet rooftop. There is a helicopter going. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please like the video and comment below how is the camera. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please, you guys are requested to subscribe our channel. The sky view. My phone is hitting. I don't know why, but I'm trying. Sorry, video shaking. I have not control in my hand when it shakes. My hand is not 100% stable, but I'm trying my hard. So hey viewers, please like this video, comment below, and please subscribe. I am showing you GoPro Hero 9 video test. If you are watching, you can understand, you can pause it, you can slow motion it, everything you can do. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Sky view, orange color, red color. I will just run it around 2 minutes. Total 10 minutes video it will be. And in this video, I am showing you GoPro Hero 9 video test. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. The saturation, expose, vibrate, everything are okay. It's an action camera, branded action camera. There are no camera to compete this GoPro. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, comment below and subscribe our channel please.